Krishna. Imagine a demon who was so kind-hearted that Lord Vishnu himself became his protector. And then Goddess Lakshmi had to make him her brother. Why? How? Today we will learn that story which very few people know. A unique story. A long time ago, there was a king who ruled in Patal Lok, King Bali. He belonged to a demon family, which is why people also called him the Demon King. But Bali was no ordinary demon. He was a great devotee of Lord Vishnu, very kind-hearted, and always spoke the truth. Through his strength and hard work, King Bali conquered all the three worlds, heaven, earth, and the underworld. All the gods became frightened. They asked Lord Vishnu for help. Lord Vishnu took the Vaman avatar, a form resembling a small child. He arrived at King Bali's yag and asked for just 3 steps of land as gift. Bali agreed without thinking twice. Then Lord Vaman expanded his form to an enormous size. With 1 step, he measured the entire earth. With the 2nd step, he measured the entire sky. There was no space left for the 3rd step. Then King Bali offered his head and said, Lord, please, place your 3rd step on my head. Lord Vishnu was so pleased with Bali's devotion and sacrifice that he made Bali the king of Patal Lok and chose to stay there with him as his protector. Now, the problem was Lord Vishnu had left Vaikunt and started living in Patal Lok. Goddess Lakshmi was all alone and worried. She kept thinking, how can I bring my husband back? One day, she thought of a way. She took the form of an ordinary poor woman and reached Patal Lok. She asked King Bali for shelter in his kingdom. Bali, who was famous for his generous heart, immediately gave the woman a respectful place to stay in his palace, without knowing that she was actually Goddess Lakshmi herself. After some time, the day of Shravan Purnima arrived. Goddess Lakshmi tied a rakhi around King Bali's wrist and made him her brother. Sister, from today, you are under my protection. Tell me, what would you like as a gift? At that moment, Goddess Lakshmi revealed her true form and said, Brother, I don't want anything. I only want you to give my husband back to me. Let Lord Vishnu return back to Vaikunt. King Bali was shocked to hear this, but he kept his promise. He happily allowed Lord Vishnu to return to Vaikunt. And this was the moment when a sister received a promise of protection from her brother and got her husband back. This is the story because of which it is believed that the Rakhi of Raksha Bandhan carries not only the love between a brother and sister, but also a promise, sacrifice and devotion. King Bali, who was called a demon, is still worshipped today because of his truthfulness and kind heart. So friends, how did you like this story? Please let me know in the comments box. If you enjoy more such mythological stories, don't forget to join our channel and also press the bell icon so that you can immediately know whenever a new story is released. Hare Krishna, Kashi Maheshwari signing off.